Let's do a little experiment. If I take this small screw and I just throw it on the floor of my garage, what do you think, who's gonna find it first? Me or my car tire? Well, as you can see, the car tire found it first. Do you know what's the easiest way to find this small screw on a big surface like this? If you have ever changed an overhead light, then you know how common it is to drop some screws on the floor and to never find them again. And if you drop screws on the floor of your garage, they almost always end up upwards and ready to cause some serious damage. And it's even harder to find anything on the floor that has this epoxy paint over it. Screw can be easily hidden in this camouflage paint. Just try to find a black or white screw in a mess like this. Now, if you have a simple flashlight, or you can even use a light from your phone, you can easily find these screws. If possible, turn the main light off. This will make it easier to spot small screws on the floor. I know this sounds counterproductive, but please stick with me. All you have to do is set up the right angle of the light from your flashlight. Don't use it directly from above because you won't find anything this way. You need to put the light as close to the ground as possible and also get down to your knees to have a better visual. Once you put your light on the floor, rotate it slowly to see if you can spot any screws. And as you can see, it is much easier to spot screws this way because they cast a big shadow and it's easier to spot them looking like this than looking at it directly from above. And this same technique applies to large open spaces like this community garage. Turn off the lights, get down to the floor, and you will see just how easy it is to find your lost screws. Now, as you can see, it's pretty easy to find something when you are looking at it from this angle. There you go, right there, you see the shadow it casts in the other direction. There's our screw right there. But when you look at it from this angle, you can just see how dirty your open space is, and yeah, you probably don't want to get to your knees on these kind of open spaces. There's plenty clumsy people like myself who drop screws all the time, so if you know any other easy way to find these small drop screws, please write your tips down in the comment section. You never know who can find your comment useful. And if you want to see some other cool tips and tricks, then check out these videos right here. And YouTube thinks that this video right here is the best video for you, so make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.